You made me feel very included, which I appreciated because I'm not part of your culture and you sought my perspective on my culture. And I really appreciate that. And the presentation was well delivered. I was able to identify with a lot of things. We got a lot of takeaways from it. And finally, the video in the end, like Preksha said, summarized everything. So in case you missed anything in the presentation, the video was worthwhile in summarizing all of the points. So thank you very much.
For today's workshop, we have learned the different things, and each and every workshop we are learning the different things and the difference between school climates and holistic climate. We have you have explained very nicely, and all the points are very clear. So thank you so much for this today's workshop. Thank you.
Thank you.